Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use Dictate in OneNote. This feature is incredibly useful if you prefer speaking over typing or if you want to quickly capture your thoughts without having to type them out manually. Let's walk through the simple steps to get this set up and running. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you've selected the notebook where you want to use the Dictate feature. This ensures that when you start speaking, your notes will be saved in the right place. Once your notebook is loaded, look at the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. From here, click on the View option. This menu contains various display and accessibility features that can enhance how you interact with your notes. Under the View option, you'll see several menus appear. From here, click on Immersive Reader. This opens up a new window that's specifically designed to make reading and interacting with your notes easier. The Immersive Reader is where OneNote houses its Dictate function, along with other helpful tools for accessibility and productivity. Once the Immersive Reader window opens, you'll notice a toolbar at the top. This is where you can enable and install the Dictate feature if it's not already active. Simply click on the Dictate button, which is usually represented by a microphone icon. If this is your first time using it, OneNote may prompt you to grant microphone permissions or install the necessary components. Go ahead and allow these permissions so the feature can work properly. After enabling Dictate, you're all set to start speaking. Just click the microphone icon whenever you're ready to begin, and OneNote will start transcribing your speech into text in real time. You can pause or stop the dictation at any time by clicking the icon again. This makes it easy to add notes, brainstorm ideas, or capture meeting notes without ever touching your keyboard. And that's it. You've now set up and started using the Dictate feature in OneNote, making note-taking faster and more convenient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.